Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be doing an unboxing, testing and reviewing of this Excel LED cordless 18 volt work light torch. So here it is, the Excel cordless LED torch. This is the body only. I bought mine from a website called Tools for Trade for £29.99, and that came with a battery and a charger because I needed a battery and a charger because I also bought a cordless router. But you can buy this at the moment for £9.99 on its own. So if you've already got batteries and chargers, this is under £10. So definitely worth considering, I think. It has high luminance single LED, provides 180 lumens, that sounds quite bright. Pivoting head with anywhere stops from 85 to 180 degrees, so you can set it down and rotate that head around, point it on where you're working, and it works with their 2 amp hour and 5 amp hour batteries. That is about it for the box, so let's open it up. So inside the box you get the torch, you get a belt clip, and you get the manual. So the torch itself just has like the same kind of body as a drill, same sort of bottom as a drill. I'm just going to attach the belt clip. Quite a nice, strong, thick belt clip. Has a little bolt there that comes with it. There we go. There's the belt clip on. So first impressions, it feels quite light. Feels quite plasticky and light, but that's not to say that there's anything wrong with it. The on button is rubbery, it's got like a rubbery cover on it. With a click underneath, I suppose that's to protect it from dust and bits in the atmosphere when you're working. It's got like a wrist strap on the back here. I guess when you're using it, you could strap your hand in so you don't lose it. And it's got the single LED at the front here. And then you can tighten up here with this screw, tighten or loosen, and then you can actually adjust the pivot of the head. So as I say, I bought mine with the battery, standard battery and charger. And I'm going to be using this with my cordless router that I've recently bought. Here's how the battery goes in. Nice positive click. Now the battery's in, it feels nice and weighty, and because it feels heavier, it gives you that feel of quality. It's like an illusion. But there you are, it stands up nice and square, solid, no chance of that falling over, even if you knock it. Very good. You got your belt clip there, you can put it on your belt upside down, hang it if you're going up a ladder for example, and it should stay on your belt firmly. Then you got the pivoting head. So later on I'll show you this working in the dark. For now I'll just turn it on. There is the LED light. It's like a cool blue kind of light. It's between, I think, daylight and cool blue. It's more cool blue. Very bright LED in the center, and it has like a spot. So I suppose if you're working on something in the dark, as long as that spot is on the area that you're working on, really lights up that area well. I was using this yesterday in the dark, and I was really impressed with just how far the beam goes on this. It's very bright. So in terms of features then, that's pretty much all it does. Turns on and off. It's only got one brightness setting, maximum brightness. On and off. It's got the pivoting head. Nice and firm, you can set that nice and firm. Adjust it. It has the belt clip to hang it like just like you would a drill from your belt. It's got the little wrist strap on here, and that is about it. Simple, light. So now I'm going to give it a night test and show you how it fares in the dark. So I'm in the shed now in pitch black. I'm going to turn the light on. Here is the light on. I'm out in the countryside, it's pitch black. That's how dark it is. With this light, I just want to show you how far the beam goes. Just follow that beam. It goes really far. So I've been playing around with this all day. Battery level is still on maximum. Okay, so that is about it for this video. As I say, this is not a sponsored video. I bought this out of my own money. I didn't particularly need a torch, but I wanted it with the battery and charger so that I could use that with my cordless router. And I'm pretty glad that I did buy it as well, because it's quite impressive for the money. As I say, you can buy this on its own currently on toolsfortrade.co.uk website for £9.99 without the battery. So if you've already got the batteries and chargers, then £9.99 for a light like this seems a bargain to me. It's very powerful, very bright, and I think it will do a good job of lighting up areas in dull situations when you're doing DIY projects. So if you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.